Well, good morning, guys. It is 11:31 on July 31st. God, this is the last day of the month. The stocks for today were FCUV, which I was able to, cash a bit of a squeeze earlier when the stock show up on the Schwab account, and also I was able to catch some on the Webull account. On the Webull account was actually really good. That was actually the stock that we made the most money so far today. It was the only stock that I did, to be honest. On the options side, I took a few options of Nvidia on the Schwab account, and then I think about just a little bit, not much. I kind of closed it fast because I kind of felt like Nvidia was going down, and I was right. So went from 199 to 197, and I was able to sell uh, the option at 199. So ended up locked in a little bit of profit on the day. Um, as far as the Webull, as y'all know, I bought a contract of Apple on Wednesday, and I think I had a striking price of $337.50. Well, as y'all know, Apple had earnings yesterday. Even though they went above expectations on the earnings, the market didn't like it, and Apple dropped close to $27 yesterday. That being said, I ended up getting pennies on the dollar on the contract. So the Webull is on life support. So sad news for the Webull account. Um, but I will ended up keep trading on it. Definitely with small size. Probably gonna step away from options for a little bit on the Webull account just to kind of build it back up a little bit. Um, so I'm gonna start just doing like, just basically day trading on it, not options, but just regular trading to be able to lock in a little bit of profit and improve that count. Uh, on the Schwab account, so we are green on the Schwab account. We are red on the Webull account. So it's kind of like a red day overall, if you ask me. And ended up being red for the Webull for the week, and ended up being positive Green Day on the Schwab account, even though we're still kind of red for the month. Tomorrow's a new month, so we're gonna, you know, keep working towards having a green month on the Schwab account. Um, so guys, after that, it's just pretty much, really disappointed about yesterday. I really thought Apple was gonna go above $340 or so, but didn't make it. So well, if I was able to increase my positions on FCUV, I probably would have made a lot of money on it. Was a stock that went 800% during pre-market and it squeezed a little bit more during market hours. I think in pre-market we were able to catch it around $7 to $8, and then I squeezing all the way to 10. Then it kind of rejected on 10.29, and then after market open, it went back to 10.29. I think it touched 11. At some point, it made a dip and will rip all the way to $14. So I was able to catch that move. I bought a small positions of, I think it was like really small position, like probably six shares on the Webull account. $11, and ended up selling a close to 13.90, I believe. So we ended up making $2.90 on six shares. So nothing too crazy, like I said. But um, yeah, this being said, was the stock for the day, in my opinion. Uh, Pretty much, I think all the people that I know they trade with me. They they got green profit. They got some profit out of FCUV, so that's good. It was definitely the stock for the day. Was the obvious stock for the day. Right now, sitting close to 559 price change. So, guys, that's amazing. And early, around 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock, it was sitting close to 800%. So almost 1,000%, which is insane. So definitely breaking news stock right there. Um, FCUV. But overall, I mean, that's the only obvious stock. Then we had some WETO, which ended up selling. It was a penny stock, to be honest. So we didn't even touch it. Not definitely not worth it. Um, then what else? That's it, pretty much. We saw a few all star like KUST that kind of show up on top gainers, but didn't make enough of a move for me to trade. So I just kind of left on the sidelines and just, I mean, FCUV was the only obvious stock that kind of did big squeeze, and was able to take some profit out of it. So, being that said, guys, I will see y'all Monday, and Monday will be a new day for the month. We got August, so hopefully August will be a better month for the Schwab account, and we get to improve the capital on the Webull account. So, being that said, guys, thank you again for watching, and I'll see y'all Monday. Y'all have a good one.